Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 17th of August to 23rd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's start for my Aries. As you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see what are the guidance messages for my Aries, please. If by any chance your sun sign is not resonating, you can also go with your moon sign and your rising sign as well. Sometimes Venus sign also resonates. So do check your all of the signs in the particular calculators. You can find that in Google as well. Alright, so let's start. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. At the back of the deck, it's the Justice over here. Okay, so we are gonna see what is this Justice. Alright, so I'm seeing that there is some kind of where you want balance. Basically, you are more towards right now, because with this Justice card as well, I'm seeing that you need some kind of balance, or you are in that state where you are more into where you are more thinking about some kind of practical more than emotional situations. You are more into your practical energy right now, where you are thinking from your brain, not from your heart anymore. And that is why I see your past energies are Queen of Rods, the Sun and the Six of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that in your past everything was fine, everything was balanced, it was going cool, everything was fine, and your home life, your work life, things were really going well with the Sun as well over here. But we are going to clarify everything. But I'm seeing that things were really fine. A lot of fire was involved, your energy was there. And but in your present we have Four of Cups, Queen of Swords and Three of Cups. Like all of a sudden, see, where you were celebrating, all of a sudden something happened, like you started feeling rejected, like three people and you were the fourth one and you were feeling rejected. So that is why you were thinking, where there was a feeling of rejection, not exactly you were rejected, but there was a feeling. All right, so you were thinking that I should cut off people now, stop accepting love, or stop accepting the guidance from the people around you, and more becoming like cold tongue towards everyone. Like whatever everyone is saying, whatever someone is saying, you are like, okay, so mind your own business. You are like, you have started becoming some kind of where you are not ready to accept, your emotions are just cutting off. That kind of energy I'm seeing over here. Your future energies are Seven of Swords, Two of Rods and the Moon. So things are really going deep from the Sun, from the past. So many yellow energies are here, like daylight energies, where everything is fine. From that energy I'm seeing that you are becoming more of a cold and more of a disoriented kind of a person. I don't know why is this thing, but we are going to clarify what exactly the situation is over here. Why are you feeling that you are lost? Like somebody might have this, might is going to deceive you, because I'm seeing a third party as well. So in your present you are you're sensing some kind of bad things. Basically, you are sensing that stuff right now, and you are like waiting for some time when the exact thing will be revealed, the exact situation. Alright, so let's clarify now. Let's see why the Justice is here in your overall energy. Why the Justice is here. You are not feeling justified. Basically, you are not feeling like I have got justice, because whatsoever situation is this, somebody might have treated you badly, somebody might have um, you know deceived you, where you feeling like injustice you might feel right now. What is this justice, please? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, what else? With the Three of Cups. See, so there was a new beginning I'm seeing over here, like with someone which you think that this person is really stable, and this beginning was actually you were feeling that it is really stable and you were enjoying uh, for some time as well with this new thing or new situation. You were happy with this particular thing, but all of a sudden, something happened, and this thing made you like, um, you were feeling that I am the one who is being ignored. You were not ignoring, but you were feeling ignored, and that is why you were feeling that kind of injustice. All right. Let's see, why is this the Sun in your past energies? Knight of Cups. What else do we have? What else do we have? Knight of Cups for the Sun. Alright, so Knight of Cups we have death as well, and so I'm seeing that, see, there was a liking, or there was a message like somebody just have, there was a love offer where somebody declined. I'm seeing that. Okay, so I'll just show you the cards. I'm seeing that there was, everything was fine, everything was going fine, but all of a sudden somebody might, gave you an offer, gave you something like, let's start a new business, let's do this thing, but I'm seeing that somebody declined this thing, somebody said no to this offer, and for a change, not just for because you didn't want to, but it was like, I'm not into this right now. It's like, this is not my cup of tea right now. I'm into something else, because I'm seeing with the Queen of Rods in your energy, I'm seeing that you were more into your energy, you were feeling energetic, you were feeling passionate, and that is why the offer of love, or some kind of an emotional offer where something, you declined that thing. Let's see why the Six of Pentacles is over here. Okay, yeah. What else? Judgment. See, you have decided, you actually decided that I would not go towards this thing right now, and you blocked that. So this might be somebody, giving you some kind of money at some point, where somebody wanted to invest on something new. Somebody else was ready to give, like, okay, I'm ready to put money in this thing, and I'm ready to put energy in this relationship. In any situation, somebody was ready to put energy, put all the effort in that thing, but there was someone else who actually ignored, or just said no to that offer, and that was really a decision from that person. This might be you, might be them as well, but I'm seeing that it's your energy more, because of your first card as a Queen of Rods over here. So I'm seeing that you were feeling so passionate, so this might be one thing as well, that you were feeling so passionate that you gave an offer to someone and somebody else said no. So this can be that thing as well. So let's clarify this Four of Cups in your present energy. Why is this Four of Cups here? What is this Four of Cups in the present energy for my Aries, please? Okay. See, somebody actually sneaked out from a situation, and this Seven of Swords is here as well in your future. So I'm seeing that it's continuing from your present, and it will continue till your recent future as well. So whosoever left the situation, just rejected something and left the situation, so it was not a good energy I'm seeing, because Seven of Swords is a person who is, who is really very selfish, who just thinks about himself or herself. So that is what I'm seeing, that when either you were offering that person an offer, and this person, what did that person did was, just rejected this offer and left in a very bad way, like deceiving way, in a very no good thoughts way, that kind of a person. Let's see, why is this Queen of Swords here? Two of Rods is here. What else do we have with the Queen of Swords? What else do we have? Queen of Swords clarified by Queen of Swords. So this is a really strong energy, as in Queen of Swords, that somebody, there are two energies where somebody was actually showing the emotions, but the other person was like clear, like no means no. So that thing put the other person like, what did I actually do? I was just offering, I was just proposing this thing, and now this person left me in the middle of something, and what should I do now? So this thing made you in that mode where you are like feeling I'm nowhere. So that kind of energy. Let's see, why is this Three of Cups in your present situation? Three of Swords, see? Yeah, Two of Swords. So I am really getting some kind of a third party situation over here with the Three of Cups as well as Three of Swords. So there was an there is going, there is some kind of heartbreak in someone's life, and in other person's life it's like meeting new people and enjoying the stuff. And this is actually bringing the other person in the middle of like, what do I do now? I have nowhere to go. This person is enjoying his or her life, and what should I do? So so that is why you are getting the cold, the bad answers from the other person, like I do not like you so much the way I liked you before, or it's not the same relationship as we had before. So some kind of that thing. Yeah, let's see, what else do we have? Why is the Seven of Swords in the future as well? Why is the Seven of Swords in the future? Seven of Cups with the Six of Pentacles. All right, so this person or this thing, whatsoever this is, they are sneaking away to explore more options. So this is that kind of an energy. This card is telling me that somebody is going towards to explore new options in his or her life, so that this thing which actually he or she will get an idea, whatever wherever I need to put my energies towards, to whom I should give my love, to whom should I give my energies, I give my money. So someone is going towards to explore new options, so that he or she will actually get an idea where that person can invest his or her energies. Okay, so I get you, I think you understood what I mean. So that is why the other person I'm seeing is in the middle of nowhere, because everything was fine, everything was going fine, but something really a very strong energy with the third party situation, but it can be not involved right now, but going to involve, like going towards to explore new things. So that is what, and that is you won't even actually, I don't think that this is becoming it's coming to light. It will be hidden, some kind of that thing. Let's clarify more about the Moon. Okay, the Fool and the World, they're together. So I'm seeing that something is ending to start something new. So Justice is again over here. The World and a Fool coming up together. It's a very big news that it was a cycle. Actually, whatever you were going through, it was a cycle, and it is coming to an end. Something is coming to an end to start something new. This end is not just an ending. This ending is for something new and to explore. And I'm seeing that you are also exploring new options, new things, basically new life you are exploring in your recent future. and things where you are thinking that things are not justified, you didn't get justice. So I'm seeing that when the whole cycle will end and when you will start seeing this kind of energy in you, like the fool's energy. This energy is very enthusiastic. The fool is like taking a leap of faith, doing something new with wherever you wanted to do, whatever you wanted to do, wherever you wanted to invest your energies towards, you are going to do those things. And when you will actually get these things, you will understand that this cycle was just something to your lessons. You need to learn some lessons from this whole particular thing. And with the justice, you will get justice, because you were not getting that kind of justice before, because all these kind of confusing energies, like someone is going towards something else to explore new options. So this is not your thing, and that is why when this cycle will end, you will actually think, you will actually get that you have actually found the justice. You have actually get the justice which you desired, which you actually wanted. Okay, so that's all, Aries. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.